Hello, hello, welcome back to MTD CNC. I'm with my buddy Ryan today at 0 Hour Parts in front of this incredible, beautiful blue Matsuura machine. Ryan has only been running this machine for 6 months, so I thought it might be cool to let him convey to you his message about how he feels about this machine. For better or worse, we're about to find out together because this is unscripted like always. Ryan, thank you so much. I'm excited to hear how you feel about Matsuura and your first 6 months running it.
Yeah, so I don't know, it's been a massive game changer for me, really. I mean, you know, the freedom to be able to just load this thing up and, you know that if something does happen to a tool or, you know, the tool goes away, it'll replace it with another one. There's a million endless reasons why it's awesome.
And before you hopped on this machine, you were kind of running around like a chicken with your head cut off, programming a bunch of different 3-axis machines, I believe. So when you came here, there was actually a concern that you were going to be bored with not having enough to do based on pallet changes and tools all being set up and sitting here and programming and loading the products, right?
Oh, it's great though. I mean, you know, even just having it in my mind that those tools are there. I know the feeds and speeds to use on them. It's just kind of a plug and play. There's no trial, like, is this tool going to work this way? You know, it just works. It's there, and it repeats like phenomenally.
With that massive tool crib, how much time a day do you spend switching out tools?
It's rare at this point. I mean, I might need to add a tool once a month maybe at this point. It's not. I don't even have to mess with tools at all, really.
That's amazing.
Doesn't happen.
And to go along with your stress from before, Ryan, did that some parts have to do with the precision of the parts coming off the machine? Do you have the confidence now that when you set something up for the weekend here, you're going to come back to good parts?
Yeah, I'm very confident. It's, you know, obviously you got to go through and check everything when you come back, but, you know, it repeats. Well, usually what you get on your first try, if you got to make a little adjustment, you make it. It's gonna carry it. It's just what it does.
Well, I've been into machine shops where there's more than one Matsuura. So how long before Dan buys you your next Matsuura so you can run around running multiple machines?
I don't know about that one.
We'll talk to Dan about that a little bit later. Well, Ryan, I know it's not easy to hop on camera. You, my friend, are amazing. Guys, this is Ryan. This is 0 Hour Parts. Look them up, zerohourparts.com. This is also Matsuura, which you may notice from all the blue behind me. Thank you all for watching. I look forward to seeing you again soon.